Hey, I wanted to make one more quick video for you guys this morning. I had an opportunity to meet a rock star freight expert. This is Junior Bloodworth. You can find him on Facebook. I got his card right here. I'll show you in better detail his card information in a second. But the guy has been in the freight game longer than me. He knows his stuff. If you are looking to buy a box truck, a day cab, dump truck, flatbed trailers, drive-in trailers, bank financing, warranties, he's over here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. He's 5 to 10 minutes down the street from me. I'm pretty close to the downtown Chattanooga Aquarium, give you geographically, and he's right around the corner from me. Guy's been in the industry for a minute. He knows all different avenues of transportation, and he can give you some guidance, some advice, some instruction. Give him a call. That's his contact telephone number right here. Give him a ring. Again, I have him posted over here on my website, brokerredlist.com. Just go to the homepage, scroll down. Again, we have all of these resources, these buttons. These are tools and resources for you to use. If you need some knowledge, read my freight blog. If you want to know what load boards are the best load boards, click there. If you want some good podcasts, if you want to know about some outstanding parking locations, if you're trying to create your LLC and just get going and get started, same thing with carrier compliance, check it out. But if you click this button on the top right-hand side, it says truck sales, click it. You got all Junior's information right here. Got his email, got his phone number, location, website, and we got a better screenshot. We got a better picture of his card for you to check out and reach out to him. Again, you can find him on Facebook too. This is the box truck king, in my opinion. I thought I was pretty good at the box truck game, and I am. I know my stuff very well, but it's always humbling when you meet somebody that knows more than you. And it was a pleasure meeting him the other day. So if you need a truck, reach out to Junior Bloodworth. He'll get you squared away. Rock star guy. I tell everybody, again, I have this even put it on the top of my website. You can see the freight game is a team sport. Pick your teammates wisely. Junior's your guy. Give him a shout. He'll help you find a great truck. Catch you on the next video. Bye.